Hey y'all, I am at your house here in Trinity Falls, the Webb portion. They have made quite a bit of progress since the last time I was out here, so I'm gonna flip this around so you can see. All right, so as you can see, they've got the exterior sheathing up, they've got your roof shingles, they've got a nice little porta potty, there's an added bathroom you didn't pay for, score. It looks like they've done some electrical, and word on the street is they even have your HVAC in. So we're gonna maneuver our way in and get inside so we can see what else we can find. Okay, I'm gonna go in through the garage. Okay, so you chose the 3-car tandem, and in one of the options is to make the tandem part a 3rd bedroom, but this really works great for extra storage. So coming in from, actually, you know what, I'm gonna sneak in through this little area. Okay, so let's pretend we came in the front door. Ta-da! Okay, right off to the right, full bath. There's a little closet here. You have a full bath, and then there is a bedroom here. Awesome, you got windows in too, forgot to mention that. So you can see all the wires, the little white wires they have going throughout, that's your electrical. They've got some outlets, they're supposed to put 1 outlet on every wall per code. I'm seeing that. That is perfect, there's 2 on that wall. And then 1 on this one. That's awesome. It's nice when they put 2 on the main wall that you put the bed, because if you have nightstands and people want to charge their phones, you're not having to run an extension cord to the middle and, you know, all those wires. So that's really cool. And then you have a closet. And coming back out. So as we continue from the front door, off to the left is your very generously sized laundry room. I love this laundry room. This is awesome. So as you can tell, here is the guts, if you will, of your HVAC. And then washer and dryer will sit on this wall. Lots of space in here. And then if you had chosen to make the 3rd car garage a bedroom, this is where that bedroom would be. So anybody that's interested in the Somerville plan, it's pretty cool. All right, going back, you chose to have your office with doors, and if you go through the models here, this is all open. It's just an open space, so it's much wider, but these are going to be double French doors. Nice large office, right? And my favorite part of this house is the great room, which is here. That is a sunroom. That is where it's a huge dining area, and then here's the kitchen. Super cool. And you have a really great pantry too, little walk-in pantry right over here. That is awesome. So they've got all of your electrical in for okay, so here's what for your stove, and then you'll have your outlets right on your counter in the backsplash. You'll have a couple of outlets. There's another one. There's a light switch on that one. This is your island where your sink and dishwasher will be. So yeah, this is awesome. And then your refrigerator will go here. You have a little counter on this side as well. So one thing my awesome clients decided to do was the pop-up ceiling. So that really makes the space feel a little bit larger when they pop it up a little bit in the middle. It's very nice. And then this, so you have a living room and then a ginormous sunroom. Lots of sitting areas in this house. I love that. And then a very generously sized patio. Like, you don't even need to extend this because it's large enough just by itself. So you have all the way here to there. Very cool. All right, back inside. So up top, you can see all of the duct work for your HVAC has been done. And then, of course, more wiring throughout. So whenever you hear somebody say, we're in the electrical rough out stage, that is what that means. They're running the wires. It's pretty cool. All right, then we'll look at this dining area. This is huge. This is literally like the size of a formal dining room. So you really don't need one because you'll have this giant space and it's right next to your island where you can get, depending on the size stools you get, at least 2 if you get the oversized ones, but definitely 3 if you get normal sized ones. And then the master bedroom. Awesome. Love all those windows. You chose the pop-up ceiling in here too. You could tell it's a pop-up because you got 2 by somethings up there. They're longer than 4 feet, so 2 by somethings. Yep, that's gonna look good. And I can actually make it into the bathroom this time. How exciting. Okay, so right off to the left, you have a vanity with his and her sinks. It's plumbed appropriately, that's awesome. And then you have your spa shower. I can't wait to see this done. In the model, they have a stand-up shower and a tub. So this is gonna be very cool to see finished out. And you have a seat. So that's gonna be very nice. And then you have your water closet right in there. And then a linen closet will go right here. And then the very nicely sized master closet. It's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Wow, this is really coming together. It's quite a bit that's been done. Remember last time I came through here, we didn't have a roof. So this is exciting. Okay guys, that wraps up the tour for this week. So much has happened since the last time. That's really exciting. That means we are on track that we should be closing sometime in July, God willing. So until next time, there'll be so much more that happens. But before I end, I do want to give a shout out to anyone who is watching for the first time. My name is Nicole Roan. I work with Living Well Properties, and this is a service we give to our buyers who are looking to build new construction. This is kind of what we specialize in, and we have a lot of knowledge throughout our entire team of this. And so whenever you're looking at building a house, whether it's your first time or your 12th time, you need someone representing you. This is a lot of moving parts in this. So when you have someone who's on the ground, walking through, making sure things are getting done, I mean, let's face it, at the end of the day, we're all humans, right? And there's a lot of different people that are coming in and out of here. And your builder, your project manager, has a lot of houses that they're having to look over. So, I mean, even inspectors, there are things that will get missed. So when you have someone representing you, like a real estate agent who knows what they're doing and isn't just there to sign the contract and collect a check at closing, you have someone in your corner who's going to help catch these things early enough on that, it's not an issue. We get it taken care of and it's fixed. So our videos aren't just informational and are not just awesome for our clients, but we're hopeful that we can earn more business through them and earn your trust that we can represent you. So in the future, when you guys are looking, please feel free to give us a call, text, or email, because we would love to work with you. All right, guys, until next time, God bless and take care. Bye.